Load balancing is defined as distributing a workload across multiple computers. In this simple example, the Stingray Traffic Manager load balances the 4 clients on the left side to the 2 servers on the right side by sending half the clients to the upper server and the other half to the lower server. Load balancing is a basic feature that is included with all Stingray Traffic Manager models. Load balancing with Stingray ensures reliability by having multiple servers, and if a single server fails, the Stingray will detect this and direct traffic away from it to healthy servers. Efficiency. By having multiple servers, you can handle multiple clients at the same time, reducing overall latency. And scalability. Increase performance and throughput by adding additional servers. There are a lot of different ways to load balance servers, and Stingray provides a few options. The simplest is round robin, where requests are assigned to servers in turn. A more sophisticated algorithm is fastest response time. This algorithm tracks the response times of servers to past requests that have been directed to it, and will direct future requests to the server that has responded the quickest. The best algorithm to pick depends on the type of application that you're trying to load balance. For general web traffic and web servers, least connections tends to be the best algorithm. Least connection sends traffic to the server with the least amount of existing connections. It is a lightweight algorithm that gives the best performance. For Microsoft applications such as Exchange or Lync, least connections is the most suitable algorithm. Least connections is recommended by Microsoft. And in general, least connections is the algorithm most suitable for non-web traffic that has long persistent connections, which is typical of Exchange and Lync. If you have mismatched servers, where some servers are more powerful than others, the best algorithm to pick is Perceptive. Perceptive skews the least connections algorithm to favor more powerful servers. It does this by factoring in response time. The more powerful servers will tend to respond quicker, giving them a faster response time and leading the Perceptive algorithm to skew the connections in their favor. Or you can do it manually by using weighted least connections or weighted round robin. In these algorithms, you assign a weight to the servers. The larger the weight, the greater the share of traffic the server will receive. For a more complex workload, where some requests generate more load than others, it's recommended to use a Perceptive algorithm. The Perceptive algorithm will send traffic away from servers that are in the middle of CPU-intensive operations. It does this by again factoring in response time. Servers in the middle of CPU-intense operations will begin to respond slower, triggering the Perceptive algorithm to begin directing traffic away from those servers. Stingray will tend to send repeat requests for content to the same server that it sent it to before. This is done to take advantage of cache hierarchy principles in the servers. Any data, be it a web page or an image, that has been recently accessed by a server will likely still be in its cache or main memory and not have to be fetched from disk. Locality-aware request distribution is automatically included with least connections, weighted least connections, Perceptive, and fastest response time algorithms. When bringing a new server online, it's a good idea to introduce traffic to it slowly. This is to prevent the new server from being overwhelmed. Slow start is automatically included with the Perceptive load balancing algorithm. So, to summarize, load balancing is defined as distributing a workload amongst multiple computers. Stingray supports multiple different load balancing algorithms, as different load balancing algorithms are suitable for different applications. Locality-aware request distribution takes advantage of cache locality properties in the servers. And finally, slow start prevents new servers from being overwhelmed by introducing them to traffic slowly. To download the free Stingray Developer Edition, please go to www.riverbed.com/stingray.